How to get money back from Vinted. Now, the very first thing that you want to do, if you have just recently received the product that you ordered from Vinted, you will be receiving an option to it's either to cancel order or report an issue. So if you pull up Vinted's official website from here, or if you say, for example, you're using it via the application, the actual process is going to be the same. So if you will be processing a claim directly into the customer service or via the help center right here, this field right here, customer support will provide you recommendations that you will be resolving the issue first with the seller itself. So to get a refund invented, first is again report the issue to the seller via the I have an issue option button on the order page within 2 days of delivery. You and the seller will then need to agree on a solution, such as a partial refund, a full refund, or a return of the item. Now, if a return is required, send the item back within 5 business days and wait for the seller to receive it, and it will be confirmed as everything is okay. And that's basically it. That's the last resort for you to get your money back from Vinted.